Hello everyone and welcome to another FXCentrum trade idea for the day. For today I decided to cover WTI, so we have a crude oil market, and this is quite interesting. We have lots of volatility, especially since the war and all of the tensions here in the Middle East started. And the thing is, even though we had some, I will say, relaxation after the massive, strong move, especially from beginning of February, we have plenty of volatility around. As you can see, market at some point went to the 120, then sold up pretty hard to the 76 mark. But what happened recently here, this is the 1 hour time frame. What we had here is, and if you are following our trade ideas, and so we had initial, this was the 17th of April, massive move down, and the market opened, Friday, Monday, we had this gap up which held. So we gave a first series of the upside bullish trade ideas from here, and they obviously played pretty well. So here, what we can see is the continuation of that upside environment and beat up back potentially towards the recent swing highs. We can have maybe 105, 106, 109, and even back to like 117 mark. So strong inflow from institutions to the energy sector again, and we can see outflow from the metals. But let's stick with a shorter term horizon. RSI, just try to zoom in this for you. This will zoom in this for you. Okay, so RSI at some point yesterday went almost to the 85 mark. So really new push into the RSI. The pullback held pretty well around the 58 and so we definitely have upside structure and the trend environment, short term, mid term, and long term. So we have a trend in alignment, and there is a potential for the further upside continuation. Most recently here, this might be just a pullback. Our moving averages are holding pretty well as well from the price action perspective. So we'll take long position tool here and just put a protective stop, really to be just around like 120.23, and basically try to target the 109, let's say 30 mark, which is almost 2.5 times bigger reward versus initial risk. Also, do not forget that this also may turn to the more like a multi-day holding, and the previous month high can be applied, which will be a massive, almost 6 times bigger reward versus initial risk. The market can reach back to 119.37, which is actually quite possible. But we go step by step and reference point with reference point. So we have a 105.87, 109.37, like some of the main shorter term objectives. Obviously, previous high 104.49. Take care and watch also as well how the market will react around that point. So massive beat back into the energy sector last couple of days, and potential for the mid-long term trend continuation to the upside. It's a great time to start with a profit from challenges. You can use this promo code to have a 20% off for any profit from challenge by FXCentrum, and it's a great thing. We have our own platform, and it's very user-friendly, so you can easily check all about it and all statistics. And feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Leave the comments below. I really appreciate as well. I started with commenting, and we'll try our best in the future to take everything. And if you have any suggestion or ways to improve, or any confirmation or whatever you have in relation to what we're doing, feel free and write in the comment box below the video. Also, just to go fast and here, and so you can see the metals are down. So we gave the sell trade idea yesterday, which is actually playing pretty well. So FXCentrum TV is really plenty of great ideas that you can receive basically every day. You can use also this promo code to have a 20% offer profit from challenges, and that we all from my side and from FXCentrum team for today. Have a good rest of the day, have a good trading, and speak to you soon.